Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to take omega-3 fish oil capsules. First, let's discuss dosage. For most healthy adults, a daily intake of 250 to 500 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA is often recommended. Always check your supplement's label for specific amounts of these crucial fatty acids. If you have any underlying health conditions or are on other medications, it's always best to consult. To maximize the benefits and minimize discomfort, take your omega-3 fish oil capsules with food. This significantly improves absorption and can help prevent common side effects like a fishy aftertaste or indigestion. You might also consider splitting your daily dose into 2 or 3 smaller servings throughout the day. Proper storage is key. Keep your fish oil in a cool, dark place, like a pantry, to maintain its freshness and potency over time. Before installing your shiny new grill, let's prepare it properly. First, carefully inspect the new grill for any potential damage or imperfections that might have occurred during shipping. Next, take a moment to thoroughly clean the area where the grill will be installed on your car. Finally, if your old grill had any specific components, like parking sensors or camera mounts, transfer them carefully to your new grill now. When selecting an omega-3 supplement, prioritize quality. Look for products that have been third-party tested for purity, ensuring they are free from heavy metals like mercury and other contaminants. Check the label for high concentrations of both EPA and DHA, as these are the most beneficial forms of omega-3. If you're prone to fishy burps, consider an enteric-coated capsule, which helps the oil pass through the stomach intact before dissolving in the intestines.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.